Hello, welcome back guys to Sportaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to set automatic time and date on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, you just have to open the settings, applications. And as you can see, this is my date and time. It's on 10 past 17 and then the date is on 3rd February, guys. So if you want to set it automatically, you just have to scroll it down at this settings page and click this systems options. Now tap on the date and time, and yeah, here you can see the first one, which is the set time automatically. You just have to turn on the button beside it, and now the date and time will match by your location, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Don't forget to leave your likes and comment below, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Goodbye.